If you go and stand in front of the mirror, you will see a reflection of your body, but you will not see a reflection of yourself. That's your body. That's the house you live in. Your body is a molecular structure. It's a mass of molecules at a very high speed of vibration. If you're going to change the results in your life, you're going to have to go inside. You're going to have to begin tapping into your mind. Do you know the subconscious mind has no ability to reject? It'll accept anything you give to it. It's like a magic area, and it's inside of us. It'll accept anything. Doesn't matter what it is. It's not able to differentiate between what's real and what's imagined. Your subconscious mind, if you wanted to get technical about it, you could say it's totally deductive. It has absolutely no ability to reject. It can only accept. So whatever gets into that part of your mind affects your entire body. You see, your body is an instrument of your mind. The body is an instrument of the mind. When you see a body moving in a certain direction, what you're really watching is the body expressing what's going on in the mind. If you watch a person, they start this and stop it. They start that and stop it. They go here and then they turn around, they go there, and they're all over the place. It's obvious their mind is in a state of confusion, and that confusion is being expressed in their action. Get into a person's automobile. It frequently looks like some of the people that you know are moonlighting in the garbage business. I mean, the automobile is totally upside down. Do you know that gives you an indication of what's going on in their mind? Another person, you'll get in their automobile and everything is just perfect. What have you got there? You've got an orderly mind. You go into their home, there's order. Our mind is what determines what's going on in our outside world. Now, the subconscious mind will accept anything, and the images that you accept on a conscious level and impress upon the subconscious mind, they control the vibration that your body's in. Now, this may be new terminology to you. You may have never thought of your body being in a vibration. Hold your hand up in front of you. Actually, look at your hand. I'm looking at mine right now, and you've got to admit it looks solid, but you want to know something? At the very best, it's a sieve. It is a mass of molecules and a very high speed of vibration. And you know that you've got the ability to alter the vibration it's in? Now, the vibration it's in is going to determine how you feel. When you ask a person how they feel, what you're really saying is, what vibration are you in? And they will tell you, if they're consciously aware of being in a negative vibration, they'll probably tell you they don't feel that good. If they're consciously aware of being in a very good vibration, they'll probably say, I feel pretty good. We can control our own feelings. We control our feelings by virtue of the images that we build in our consciousness and turn over to our subconscious. So now, let's get the picture. I want you to see yourself very wealthy. You are clothed in the finest garments that are available to man. They are absolutely beautiful garments. You see that in your mind. You are driving a very luxurious car. You're living in a beautiful home. You're able to take magnificent vacations. You see an opulent lifestyle. You build a picture of that. Now you can take and let that picture sink right into your subconscious mind. And do you know that if you would continually do that, that's the way you're going to end up living, because it's the images that you impress upon your subconscious mind that controls the vibration you're in. And you know, as you listen to The Secret, all the way through The Secret, they talked about thinking in a certain way and attracting it into their life. If you held that image and you kept getting emotionally involved in the image, because that's what getting emotionally involved means. It means turning the image over to the subconscious mind. You move into that vibration, and instantly and automatically attractive force moves into motion. And you begin to attract to you all things requisite to the fulfillment of that picture. I know this works because I do it.